Good morning. On behalf of the Department of Human Development, Mount Carmel College Autonomous, Bangalore, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you to the International Virtual Conference on Interdisciplinary Scope of Human Development. I'm Natasha Joel, and I will be your anchor for the conference. I request all attendees to please mute yourselves. If you have any queries or responses, please drop them in the chat box. The Department of Human Development was started in 2009 with the UG NTCHD, that is Nutrition, Dietetics, Chemistry and Human Development. The PG department was later started in 2012. Mount Carmel College Autonomous, Bangalore is one of the only two colleges that offers a degree in human development in Bangalore. The department covers topics across the lifespan and various sections of society, which are quite interdisciplinary and relevant to the conference organized. We have some of the best faculties who are qualified and dedicated towards providing the best education to their students. To begin the conference, I would like to call upon Dr. Sujata Gupta Kedar, Head of Department, Human Development, Mount Carmel College Autonomous, Bangalore, to speak a little on what this conference is about.
Good morning, one and all present here. Department of Human Development, Mount Carmel College, Bangalore extends a very warm welcome to all the delegates and participants present today for the international conference on the subject Interdisciplinary Scope of Human Development. The COVID-19 pandemic has unleashed a human development crisis. On some dimensions of human development, conditions today are equivalent to levels of deprivation last seen in mid-1980s. The crisis is hitting hard on all the human development's constitutive elements, that is income, physical and psychological health, and education. Moreover, there are innumerable less visible or indirect effects of this pandemic on the society, some of which include domestic violence, social and family conflicts, social disengagements, etc. The pandemic was superimposed on unresolved tensions between people and technology, between people and the planet, between the haves and the have-nots. These tensions were already shaping a new generation of inequalities pertaining to enhanced capabilities, the new necessities of the 21st century. It is also hampering the overall development of people across the lifespan. Nowadays, reconciliation with family members, colleagues, neighborhood, relatives, and teachers have become a big challenge. We have come together today to understand the roles that a human developmentalist play in helping the various sections of the society to lead a normal life in any kind of situation. This indeed is an opportunity to learn directly from renowned scientists and researchers from their field of expertise. The new normal is going to be a technology-driven future. Every situation creates opportunity, and this online conference has made it possible to bring eminent speakers to this virtual platform. I'm happy to share that we have received overwhelming response and a total of 202 participants have registered from all over the country. We have received 55 scientific papers. We truly hope this conference turns out to be a good learning experience for each one of you. Thank you. I now request our principal, Mount Carmel College, to inaugurate the conference.
On behalf of Mount Carmel College Autonomous, Bengaluru, I extend a very warm welcome to all the delegates and participants present today for the International Virtual Conference 2021, organized by the Department of Human Development on the subject Interdisciplinary Scope of Human Development. Understanding human development is one of the most important things for living a healthy and a happy life. It's becoming really difficult to maintain sanity in the times of COVID, and therefore it becomes even more important to educate people about the role of human development experts in empowering and uplifting the society at various levels. In view of this, the international conference with an apt theme, Interdisciplinary Scope of Human Development, has been organized from 15th February to 16th February 2021. It's a great honor and privilege to have eminent speakers, Dr. Shahufa Kapadia, Dr. Preeti Desai, Ms. Katie Wood, Dr. Jigisha Shastri, Dr. Rega Sen Sharma, and Dr. Geeta Chopra. Their remarkable contribution in the field of human development have touched many lives. The experts' insight on the novel approach and emerging opportunities in human development in the current scenario will be of immense benefit to the community. I hope it will be a fruitful session and all of us will have an enriching experience and meaningful takeaway message. I welcome all the participants who have joined us from various places in India and other countries. Congratulations to the Department of Human Development for selecting a very relevant topic for conference and wishing them all the very best. God bless.